So cold. So cool. Good morning, everyone. It's beautiful. I woke up in the after to the sunrise. It was too freezing to stay outside, so took down the window covers. It's a beautiful view from my bed. It's actually warm today, and we're gonna hop on the kayak. I'm just gonna wake up, and the plan was to leave today by 12, but my plans have changed, and I don't need to leave until later tonight. So let's enjoy this day. Wonder what that little guy thinks of my... Oh, it's a spider. Wow. How did he get there? Oh, he's already made a little web. That's crazy. Oh, he made it from the incense. Oh, shit. Is this lava rock? It looks like it. I could be wrong though. A little chunky. Found some nice little pine cones. I'm gonna make a sun catcher or dream catcher for the van. Little baby ones. But I forgot my shower at home because I emptied out the entire van so I can rebuild some things. And I didn't put all my camping gear away in the back. I even forgot my tools. But I've got an idea. And we're gonna use this bucket I use to gather black sand and gold. And then just do the old rag style. So let's see if we can find some water around here. I just took a little rag bath, brush my teeth, wash my face. I need to get a mirror in here because when I'm on the road I tend to forget to do my normal routine. You know, brush your teeth, wash your face. And if I don't have a mirror in here, then I just don't see myself every day like you do in a home. Me and Ozzie went on a nice little walk. Found some more feathers. I'm looking for a blue jay feather. I saw a blue jay flying around here earlier. That would look awesome on my little ornament thing, my sun catcher. Look at this guy. You are looking at like a ravenous, I don't even know if I said that right, wild dog, like a freaking wolf. Yeah, you're dirty. But it's time for some lunch, so we're gonna cook up some brats and then we're gonna go hit the lake. Because Cooking up the brats. Actually, they're not brats. Sausages. Let's warm those up. Lunch was good. Now it's time to hit the kayak. Gotta put on sunscreen. I got a little container to put my phone in, just in case. I'm just gonna put sunscreen on like my forearms because I got a farmer's tan that I need to get rid of. All right, we're ready. Let's do this. Man, this is awesome. I made it to the other side. Well, almost. This is so calming. Other than that, the water feels so good. I jump in, but yeah. All right, looks like we're beached. Oh, I made it all the way from over there. Ozzie did pretty good. We didn't tip, good thing. But it's not too choppy, so that's probably why. That's cool. Oh, that's the ground? What the heck? It literally just drops off over there. Look at all these geese hanging out, drinking beer, smoking weed, having babies. It's definitely a workout, that's for sure. My abs and my, what are those, traps? Starting to feel the burn now. We camped over there. Making us some leftovers. It's din time. Giant flying ants. Yum. That looks so good. Oh, big bad wolf. Well, this was fun, for sure. Can't wait for next time. But I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna head out at 8 p.m. I gotta make it home. So I'll clean up. That way I'm not spending my last moments cleaning. So let's get to it. I guess it's a perfect timing because I'm out of water, I'm out of food, I'm out of beer. We're just gonna load up the yak and go for a small little walk. This is the end of the road for us. Unfortunately, we gotta go home. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. That way I don't have to go home. That way we don't have to go home. We can make this our home. That's my goal. I'm trying to do this full time. I want to go and explore America with my boy, with my van. And we're going to make this possible with you guys, by you guys, from you guys. So I appreciate you guys. That was a lot of fun. First time being on a kayak. Thank you, Matt, for gifting that to me. It really means the world. But yeah, this is it. This is the end. Let's turn on some lights, huh? Oh yeah, this is the end of the road for us. So I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Ozzie loves you guys. And maybe we'll see you next week. All right, adios. Later.